Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make opening hoods in Roblox Studio. Copy your hood and name it open, while the closed hood must be named shut. First letters must be capital letters. Go in Properties and select the open hood. Make the model transparent. Now select this model. I will put it in the description below. I will make the hood opener visible so you guys can see. If you are doing the same, do not forget to make it transparent again. For this to work, you have to make them a group. Select each one individually and press Ctrl and G at the same time, then name the model to shut and open. Let's test it. It works. You can use this for other stuff like pop-up headlights or trunks. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Please leave a like and subscribe for future content.